People are like birds with no legs, with no option but to keep flying. The sounds of our cell phones are the closest auditory experience people have nowadays, and not many people are aware of.
你的生活的所有的场景都被手机覆盖了，所以我们希望我们的铃声层次更清晰，工质是更精简、更舒适的。我们在触觉感受的过程中融入了辅助的音效，形成一种犹如真实世界的真实感受。它应该是能被你很清楚地感受到的一声声的问候。
A good speaker lets your imagination run free. The kind of speaker that if you play sea waves through it, you will feel that you're on the beach. And you can hear the seagulls and you can almost smell the ocean.
天气闹钟，我们使用了来自自然中的音效和音乐的结合，能让你身临其境大自然的每一个季节的变化，每一个天气的转变。
I want them to feel relaxed and happy about the fact that their phone is ringing. The modern people are very, very busy throughout the day, and we hope that we can offer them a bit of peace and calm to ease their day.